Once upon a time, there is a small dog named Max. Max lives in a big city with his owner, Lisa. Every day, Max and Lisa go for a walk in the park. Max loves the park because he can run and play with other dogs. One sunny morning, Max sees a butterfly. He wants to play with it, so he runs after the butterfly. The butterfly flies high, and Max follows. He runs away from Lisa and does not see where he is going. Suddenly, Max finds himself lost. He looks around, but he does not see Lisa. He feels scared. But Max remembers Lisa always tells him to stay calm. So, Max sits down and waits. Lisa looks for Max everywhere. She calls his name, Max. Max. After some time, she finds him sitting quietly. Lisa is very happy to see Max. She hugs him and says. From that day, Max learns to always stay close to Lisa in the park. He still plays and has fun, but he makes sure he can always see Lisa. Max and Lisa continue to go for walks every day. They are best friends, and they take care of each other. The end.